This is not drill bit, this is end mill cutter. Tool is for die grinder. This is the brake unit assembly. There is no movement at all for this. Maintenance has to be carried out on this. And front hub is okay. There is no problem in the hub. Little maintenance is needed. New brake shoes are placed. These are the new brake shoes placed. Now we can go ahead in assembling. This is the condition of the old brake shoes. These are the riveted ones. The latest one, you will not find rivets on this. It is just sticked by the gum. These are the sets which I have with me. This APA, you can have a look. And this is also APA. This one is APA here. But these are the brake shoes which I builded is the latest one. You don't find anything on written here. Nothing is written here. But whereas these are the original ones. The construction is same. Condition of the back wheel. The tire is fully rounded. There is no tread on this. And the brake condition is also very worst. I have to maintain it. This is the condition of the rear drum. This is the condition of the wheel rim. Now I am cleaning the brake shoes. Compression is okay. can see the condition of the engine, how it is. It is fully scrapped. So I am trying to start it. It's a fantastic clutch. The cleaning is to be needed. If required, the whole clutch has to be changed. I dismantle the clutch assembly from the clutch. The clutch unit assembly, how it was built by the earlier owner. Lot of dust is there. Lot of accumulation. I have to clean all these things. I opened the clutch and cleaned all the components. It's a 4-plate clutch only. You can have a look. And these are all the items for cleaning the clutch. And this is the side cover, clutch cover. And these are the shellacs, and this is the gasket for clutch. These are all the brushes for cleaning and various solutions for cleaning the clutch. This is the original bore. I am going to box it up now. Now I am going to start it. Oil bottles, never accept the oil if the seals are broken. This is very, very important.